Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on creating stunning 3D AI images of keychain with name for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Here, click on the first link that you see. Now in the text box, type in the prompt that you have created. Then tap on the Create button. Similarly, you can create more of these by simply editing your prompt. Then tap on the Create button once again. Now click on the image in order to preview it. Also, if you'd like to download these images, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen and tap on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide.